guys. I'm Patty. If you don't know yet, well, you should know. So today I created this look, which I created a while ago while I went like eating with some people. And I recently like posted a look on this makeup look. I posted a look on Instagram, which my Instagram is Patty Mwamba if ever you want to follow me. Yeah, so I posted this look and I saw that like a lot of my friends really love this look. So I decided why not, let's do a tutorial about it. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, let's get into the video. Hey guys, hey. So I'm starting off brushing my brows with the one and only NYX brow pencil in Espresso. I will also fill them in with that eyebrows, and then I will conceal them with my concealer from LA Girl in the color medium beige as per usual. So enjoy me filling my brows. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm taking this orange color from the palette, the Zulu from Juvia's place. I can't remember the color on the top of my head right now, but I will list it down below, so go check in the description box for this exact color. And yeah, it's just that orange color. I'm putting that all over my crease as like the transition shade, as I can say. It's gonna give this like a sunset effect. So that is that. The second color I'm going to take, and I'm gonna put it like in my lower creases, I can say. It's this kind of like purpley with a little bit of red in it. It's from the Masquerade palette from, again, Juvia's place. I'm not sponsored, guys. I just really love these palettes. I think they are amazing palette for black people, dark skinned people. Like, wow, they really do the job. So yeah, I'm placing that like in my lower crease, blending that in. There's a lot of blending that's gonna be done. The last color that I'm using, and I'm putting that all over my lid with my finger, is this kind of white grayish color from the Warriors 2 palette. I really love this palette. I feel like it's a great everyday palette. I actually use that like on a everyday basis. Well, not this particular shade, but like I use the palette on a regular basis. So yeah, I'm just placing that all over my crease with my fingers. You know, when your brushes are all dirty and you're too lazy to go wash them, so you just do with what you got, you know? I'm just blending everything in to erase every harsh lines. You know, we don't support harsh lines here. We don't like that. Okay, so now I'm taking my Becca Cosmetic primer. That's a good primer for oily people, and it's my go-to primer. Also off camera, as you can see, I apply my eyeliner. It's a gel eyeliner from Tarte. I think it's called Tarteist. Don't quote me on that. I will put it in the description box. I'm so sorry guys, I'm so bad with names. I like literally forget them. I just forget them. For kind of setting that primer in, I'm taking my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm placing that like in the areas where I get oily. And for foundation, you're first gonna see me take the Bobbi Brown foundation, but I realized that there's nothing left in that bottle, so then I switched up to Lancôme Teint Idole foundation in 500, and I mix it with my Fenty Beauty 350 foundation. And it's a good combo because they're both good for oily skin, and one is too dark and the other one is too light, so they're just a perfect combination together. So yeah, that is me putting my foundation. Yeah. Also guys, I didn't drag my foundation like properly down my neck, because after this video I was just going to bed. So yeah, I didn't like do it properly, so don't come at me, okay? So for concealer, I'm using the Colourpop concealer in the shade 38. Yeah, and I'm placing this under my eyes, on my forehead, bridge of the nose, and my, I forget how you call that, but basically you can see me applying it. I'm just gonna blend it in with my Real Technique sponge, my dirty ass Real Technique sponge that I need to wash also, but it's nothing new, you know. To set this concealer that I just put, I'm using again my Sacha Buttercup, my Sacha Cosmetic Buttercup setting powder, and I'm placing that everywhere that I place my concealer basically. So for contour, I use the new shade. It's from ABH. It's called Copper Brown. And yeah, so far I'm really liking this shade for me for the winter. I think it's even better than the one I was using before. This just really like complements my skin tone. So yeah, as you can see, I'm putting it on my cheekbone, forehead, jawline, nose, and yeah. With the excess contour powder I have on my brush, I'm just gonna like sweep all the areas that I had the powder, basically to just kind of like tone down the brightness of my powder and my concealer. So now I'm just spraying my face with my NYX setting spray. I started this new thing that now before applying my how do we call that glow, the highlight, I spray my setting spray to make my highlighter pop. And this highlighter is the ABH and what's her name again? I forget the girl's name. Oh my god. Is the collab with the Instagram girl. I forgot her name. I'm so sorry guys. But basically it's a limited edition highlighter and I really like it. And now I'm just lining my lip with BFF3 from Colourpop, and I'm putting this Victoria's Secret gloss that I got as a gift for my birthday basically. Okay, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for being with us. Thank you for coming back week after week. We love you guys. We appreciate the love and support. It never goes unnoticed. So yeah, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
What else? Your body will kill me. Now, up in every bomb, Ram Town. Now.